These are just a few examples of the types of structures Finfrock has produced in the past. For over 65 years, Finfrock has been an innovator in the precast and pre-stressed concrete industry. Today, I want to invite you to watch and listen as I describe for you the basic concepts behind our parking structures and how they come into being. Now take a look at this animated depiction of how our garages fit together. You won't see crews, the crane, all the bracing, or all the other equipment involved on the job site, but you should gain a fairly good understanding of how a garage is erected. First, we start with a leveled and compacted base with footings laid out and in place. When possible, we will start with a stair tower and possibly an elevator shaft. This is preferred as this structure provides greater stability from which to build out the first zone of the garage. These large vertical panels are called shear walls. Once the enclosure is made, the stairs are lowered into position and secured. Here you see the start of a sequence that will be repeated again and again as we build the garage zone by zone, floor after floor, and bay after bay until the garage is complete. This example starts with a shear wall. Next, a column is set opposite the shear wall and an inverted T or IT beam is set in place to span between them. Finally, the double T's are flown in to form the parking deck of the first floor. This last piece flown in is called a spandrel, and in this case is used as a barrier and railing on the side of the double T. The same process is repeated on the floor above. As erection progresses to the next zone, we see the first light walls put in position in what will be the center of the garage. Notice there are corbels or haunches on both sides of the light walls. On this side of the light wall, they appear to be level, but they are actually offset slightly so that the double T's are slightly pitched to direct water to the drains in the center of the garage. This next zone has light walls on both sides, and we start to see the ramp take shape. This third bay is very much like the first. Erection of the garage is generally very quick and efficient. Depending on the size and complexity of the garage, it can take anywhere between several weeks to several months. The exterior is beautifully finished and the landscaping is nicely done. Driving up into the garage, we notice light fixtures, sprinkler systems, fencing along the light walls, stripes painted on the deck, as well as elevators and stairs completely installed and functioning. Our construction department manages a small army of subcontractors who turn a bare concrete structure into a beautiful, finished parking facility. These other trades are brought in as early as possible and will be working a bay or two behind our erection crews so that we can finish a project sooner than other building systems can. By combining and controlling design, manufacturing, and construction into a complete solution delivery system, Finfrock has set itself apart from the competition.